So in this video, we will explain to you on how to thread on your sewing machines. Because we receive so many questions daily about how to put on the thread, so now we will show you how to do that. So first we have two threads. There is this one at the top, and the top thread spins to the left, which is non-clockwise, so do not install the thread the other way around. And then insert the thread to this thread guide right here. Pull it upwards. After that, insert the thread again right here until you hear a click sound. If you don't hear the click sound, then it is not installed correctly. So the thread will follow the spin like this. There's another thread guide right here. Insert the thread again, pull it upwards. And basically, you just insert the thread through all of the thread guides and all of the loops. And finally, insert the thread again beside the needle. After that, insert it to the loop right here. Now for the bottom thread. The bottom thread spins the same way as the top thread, which is to the left or non-clockwise. So load the bobbin into the machine and close the bobbin case. Next, we have to take the bottom thread out by lowering the needle. You can lower the needle by spinning the hand wheel at the side of the sewing machine. So pull the top thread and then the bottom thread. If you have pulled the threads, it will look like this. And now you're ready to use the sewing machine.